Welcome to my channel. English easy for free. Grammar test. 11 questions and answers. Let's start.
A pet cat. She. 2 brothers. We. A lot of fun at the party. They. A beautiful house. My parents. A new car last week. He. A talent for playing the piano. You. A great sense of humor. The students. A difficult time understanding the. Jane and Peter. A strong bond of friendship. The company. A new CEO. The team. A winning streak this season.
Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel.